Hi, Namaste. We'll see how to fill online ENPS, that is National Pension System application form, and generate PRAN number. Document required for PRAN generation are mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN card soft copy less than 2 MB, bank detail, especially take salary credited bank, check, that is cancelled check, it should be uploaded, and signature soft copy, it should be less than 5 MB. After taking all these documents, type ENPS, it will open the ENPS NSDL website. Click on the National Pension System, then click on registration. It will open online subscriber registration, new registration, complete pending registration, and e-sign or print registration form. Three parts are there. Those who are incomplete registration, they can click on the complete pending registration, enter the acknowledgement number, and continue the form filling. Those who are new, they can click on new registration, click on the applicant type individual subscriber, status of the applicant citizen of India, register with Aadhaar offline eKYC or the permanent account number. Those who want through permanent account number, you have to submit to the POP, point of presence, with all your documents nearest to your banks. All these banks details are there with some of the fees around 125 rupees, or else online without submitting any document to the any POP or banks. Click on the Aadhaar offline eKYC. Account type is tier 1 only. Enter your mobile number linked to the Aadhaar. Enter the last digit of the Aadhaar number and upload Aadhaar offline eKYC XML file and share the code. For this upload Aadhaar offline eKYC XML file, you should go to the Aadhaar home page, click on the Aadhaar in the Google, it will open Aadhaar home page. Click on My Aadhaar, the third column, Aadhaar services. Click on the Aadhaar paperless offline eKYC beta. So in this, you enter your Aadhaar number, type the security code and click on send OTP. So you have to create a share code for your paperless offline eKYC. Whatever OTP you have received, enter it and click on the download. So in downloads, your offline eKYC will be downloaded. Then come back to the ENPS website and enter the all details, your mobile number, last digit of Aadhaar number, and choose the file which you have just now downloaded and upload it. After that, share the code and click on confirm. So it will open all subscriber registration, all the personal details you have to fill, all personal details, family details. So after filling all these details, you click on generate acknowledgement. So it will generate acknowledgement number. Note it down, it will be helpful in future. So after that, you can continue filling the form. Next is the contact details. Here you have to fill the FATCA details. Those who are paying tax in US, they can click on the yes and fill all the details, or else you click on no and fill the details. Only US persons can click on yes and fill the details. Country is India. So TIN number, issuing country is the India. I think in USA they will tell TAN number instead of PAN number. So you can enter your PAN card number. Validity can keep gap. FATCA state is your state, your city and zip code. Next is corresponding address details and the permanent address details. Automatically it will take from your Aadhaar. If it's click on whichever address type, residential or business or registered office or unspecified. Next click continue and fill all the bank details, bank and code details, your occupation details, education qualification, income range, and this is important. Select if applicable any politically exposed or not, then relative of any political exposed persons. So next is bank details, all your saving account number, IFSC code. After filling IFSC code, automatically it will take all the details, then click on continue. Then next is the scheme preference. Scheme preference details. The fund manager you can select out of these, either SBI, HDFC, UTI, and your options, either you can choose auto or the active. In active, percentage of sharing you can select equity or corporate bonds or government bonds, and in auto, in moderate it's like 50%, 30% and 20% equity, corporate and government bonds respectively. In aggressive it's 75, 10 and 15, or conservative it's 25, 45 and 30%. Here I'll select auto and moderate. I have taken SBI as the fund manager bank, and all the nominee details you have to fill. You can add up to 3 nominees, and confirm, save and proceed. Next it will go to next page, that is document upload, scanned copy of the PAN card and the cancelled check. It should be less than the 2 MB, and both these documents you click on choose file and select the file and upload it. Uploaded PAN card, and next is the cancelled check. Draw 2 lines and write in between cancel and upload it. So after that, next step is the photo and signature. Photo is taken automatically by the Aadhaar card, and signature you have to sign on a white paper, and it should be less than 5 MB, and upload it. After that, confirm it, and confirming the registration detail submitted. Here you can check all the details once again, and if any addition or deletion you can do in this step. After checking all this, you click on the next step, that will go to the payment details. The minimum contribution amount is 500. To maintain active state of the account, you should transfer 1000 rupees yearly, otherwise it will freeze. So you click on confirm payment and click on the checkbox declaration. 2 checkboxes are there, you click on that, and these are the statement option if you want either email or physical copy. And about PAN card options, you want e-PAN card and welcome kit in physical form or in mail. So I'll click on the I want both PAN card and the welcome kit in physical form. So I'll click on that, and next I'll click on make payment. This is the confirmation of your PAN card details. Like this, your PAN card will come. Then click on the proceed. So it will take to the payment gateway. So Either you can do through credit card, debit card plus ATM pin and internet banking. Here I am doing through debit card. I'll enter all my details like card number, expiration date, year, CVV, card holder name, and click on the make payment. You will receive OTP to your mobile number. Enter it and submit. So there is payment confirmation and it will go back to the eNPS website. So this is the receipt of payment confirmation. So all 4 steps over. Next is the e-signing of registration form. So click on the registration e-signing and 3 options will come. OTP authentication. In this OTP authentication, you will receive OTP to your email ID and the mobile. In e-signing, it's Aadhaar based OTP will come. And third one is print and courier. You will have to take a physical form, print and send it to the address that's present in Mumbai. After clicking on that print and courier option, you can see down there address is there, Central Record Keeping Agency, eNPS, Mumbai. You have to send to within 30 days of your form generation, otherwise your PRAN number will be freezed. So otherwise you can do either OTP authentication or e-signing. Sometimes you will not receive OTP authentication, OTP to your email ID. So I'll go here for the e-signing. I'll click on the e-signing and the PRAN generation details and the Aadhaar details should be same. They both should be matched. Then click on proceed. So it will open NSDL electronic signature service. Enter your Aadhaar card number. Click on the check box and click on send OTP. OTP will come to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Type it and verify OTP. It will go back to your eNPS and you can download e-signed form. So all filled form will be downloaded and you can click on the PDF and verify the form. So after this, come back to the home page, National Pension System registration, and click on the e-sign. So enter the acknowledgement number and all other details. Click on submit. So here you can see from start till the registration process completed, all green mark you can see, and you can click on the view subscriber registration form, print and courier option. So here you can download your receipt, registration form and PRAN, e-PRAN card and welcome kit. This registration form you can submit to your DDO office or you can send to the NSDL office that's present in Mumbai. That completes the registration process. Sometimes you can't do complete registration. Those who have only acknowledgement number and incomplete registration, that is pending registration, click on the NPS registration and it will again open the online subscriber registration. Click on the complete pending registration. So already you have received acknowledgement number. Enter the acknowledgement number and all other details. It will open the subscribe registration. So all the details you have to fill and follow the same process. That's the done from my side. Jiyo Jindagi Khushi Se. Happy post retirement age in advance. If you like the video, click on like button and subscribe. Thank you.